Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And this is probably going to be my last side-by-side comparison with the DJI Action 3. Now, right now, the other camera is the GoPro Hero 10, and it is actually shooting in 5.3K, so I expect it to be quite a bit better than the Action 3. But I wanted to compare my new Action 3 with my GoPro side-by-side. And the GoPro just died. But anyway, we're just going to continue like this, and I'm going to go ahead and play some more footage of the GoPro side by side with the Action 3, and just drop a comment down below. How does the Action 3 look, and how does it hold its own against 5.3K in the GoPro Hero 10? Let's do it.